Have you ever felt so displaced, like you're stuck in a creative rut and you're feeling blocked? Well, if you are, this is an opportunity to practice being present by being more aware of our surroundings. I'd like to share a quote that's been resonating with me this week. For the mind to draw inspiration, it wants space to welcome the new. The universe seeks balance. Through this absence, you are essentially inviting energy in. What we can do is find an area in our home where energy feels stagnant. Or it can be as simple as adding more of your personal touch within your home. Ultimately, we want to create an environment where you are free to express what you're afraid to express. What's something in your environment that needs more focus?